Ayan. So, good morning, grade 8. So, again, our lesson for this week is Block 8, Solving Systems of Linear Equations. Ayan. So, we have different ways in solving linear equations po. So, first one is graphical method, substitution method, and the elimination method. So, I've already discussed you about the graphical method, but yun, uulitin ko siya para sa inyo. So, solving by graphical method, so we are going to use graphical method if we are solving two variable linear equations in two variables po. Okay? So dito, kung ano yung magiging point of intersection nila ng ating graphical method, dun sa pag-graph natin sila, kung ano yung lalabas na point of intersection nila, ayun yung i-consider natin na solution set po nila. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yung given point na yon or yung certain point na yon is their solution for both equations po. So, we have different kinds of graph po for this one. So, ito siya. So, when we have intersecting lines, so it means that we have unique solution po. Okay, so it means since meron tayo sa unique solution, meron tayong unique solution sa intersecting lines, 'di ba? Since intersecting lines nga po, isang point lang or there is just a certain point na magi-intersect sila. Okay? So kaya siya unique solution kasi isang ano lang siya, isang pair of points lang po siya. And then, kapag coincident lines naman, ayan, nag-overlap po sila. Okay? And then, kapag coincident lines sila, ibig sabihin, we have infinite solutions. We have many possible solutions or many possible many possible pair of coordinates for that specific given po. Okay? So, kapag parallel lines naman, automatic po, we have no solution for that given equation. Wala tayong maibibigay na pair of, what do you call this? Pair of intersecting points po. Okay? Intersections. Since parallel lines nga, they do not intersect, hindi sila magmi-meet. Okay? So, intersecting lines and coincident lines is considered as consistent. Okay? Since meron silang solution. And then si parallel lines, since wala siyang solution, no possible coordinates for the parallel lines, inconsistent po siya. Okay, so let's have an example. So solving a system of linear equations with two variables graphically. Okay, so we have x plus y is equals to 45 and then y is equals to x plus 15. So these are the steps. Ayan. Okay? Hindi ko na siya babasahin kasi madidiscuss ko rin siya. Yun. Sa next. Okay? So, we solve those. Solve pa rin naman natin siya. Gagamitin natin yung equation. So, tandaan siya. Okay? So, yung first step daw doon, sabi, plot the first equation which is x plus y is equals to 45 po. Okay? So, we need to plot this first equation po. Okay? So, for this one, we just need to transform the equation into its slope form po. We will have y is equals to mx plus b. Okay? Ayan, madali lang siya since dapat lang nasa isang side or dapat walang kasamang ibang variable or coefficient yung ating y po. So, since merong x, ayan, merong x dito, nakatabi si y, si x na lang yung itatranspose natin or yung itatransfer natin to the other side po. Okay? So, kapag nilipat natin yung variable na x on our right side, it will become negative x na siya. Okay? So, since positive x siya on the left side, kapag nilipat siya, magiging negative x. So, di ba, kapag every time na nagka-transpose tayo, is nag-iiba rin yung, what do you call this? Sign. Yung sign nila. Okay? So, meron na tayo. So, at that point, malalaman na natin yung slope. Ano yung slope natin? Ang slope po natin is negative 1. Okay? Baka nagtataka kayo saan nanggaling si negative 1. Eh, di ba, mx nga po. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung x natin dito, siya yung slope natin. Eh, since negative x siya, we can also say that it is also equal to negative 1. Okay? Kahit sabihin mong negative b yan, negative a, 1 pa rin po yun. Diba? Since a variable is just a representation lang po. Okay? So, slope natin is negative 1. Ano yung point natin? Siyempre, 0 and then 45. Since ang given lang naman yan, B, ang B natin is 45, which is yung ating y-intercept or y-coordinate. So, which is 45. So, wala naman tayong given na x-coordinate dyan. So, 0 lang siya. Pwede natin siyang gawing 0. Okay? Huwag ipilit kung walang value ng x-coordinate po dyan. Okay? Or x-intercept. Okay? So, let's start plotting the points. So, yan. Start natin 0 and 45. Ito siya. Okay? Ayan po siya. Ngayon, ang slope natin is negative 1 po. Okay? So, we will add, we will count, pag ito, ayun, 1 to the right side and then 1 down. Okay? So, dito kung napansin nyo, masyadong malaki yung interval niya kasi since 1 lang naman yung ating slope, so pwede ko na siyang damihan. Okay? So, although yung mga, ayan, because meron din tayo diyang sabihin natin is 40 and then, ano ba, positive 5 ba? Yun, basta ganun siya. Okay? Matatamaan din natin yun. Ayan pa siya. Okay? Nilakihan ko lang na yung interval para mas ma-visualize natin yung line natin. Okay? So, kung napansin nyo, sa right side lang po ako nag-a-add. Okay? So, kasi ang goal natin dito, mag-lie dapat yung ating line on the, mag-rise yung ating line on the left side po. Since ang atin pong slope is negative. Diba? Kapag once na nag-rise ang ating slope into the sa left side, it is negative slope po. Meron siyang negative slope. Pero kapag positive slope, it will rise on the right side naman po. Okay? So, kung napansin nyo, nag-add ako ng right pababa. Okay? Pwede rin naman kayong mag-add ng pa-left. Okay? Pero pataas na siya. Hindi kayo pwedeng mag-add pa-left and then pababa. Kasi magiging positive yung slope nyo nun, which is wrong po. Okay? So, sunod. Ayan. Ayan na siya, okay? So, dito kasi, di ba, additional ko na lang din. Di ba, sa negative 1, rise over run po yung slope natin, okay? So, may ibig sabihin, meron tayong negative 1 over 1 po, okay? Di ba, lahat ng whole number po is merong invisible 1 on their denominator. Okay, so we will have negative 1 and positive 1. So, since negative ang ating numerator, so it is rise. So, ibig sabihin, ang rise daw natin is pwede nating sabihin left. Ang rise, di ba, pataas? O, rise is pataas, and then, pero on the left side po. Okay? Tama? Pwede yun. Yun yung sabi ko kanina. And then, since positive tayo, yun, up tayo. Okay? Left and then up. Yun. Basta siya, as long as, dapat i-visualize nyo muna kung magsasatisfy ba yung graph nyo dun sa slope po ninyo. Okay? Hindi pwedeng yung slope nyo is negative pero yung inyong graph is nag-lie papunta sa yung nag-rise siya papuntang right. Mali po yun. Okay? So, next step. Ayan. So, step 2 naman. So, i-plot naman yung pangalawang equation. The y is equals to x plus 15. So, di ba, ita-transform muna natin siya into y is equals to mx plus b. But, obviously, naka-transform na po siya into ganon. Okay? Y is into slope form po. So, ano yung slope natin dito? Positive x siya. So, ibig sabihin ng slope natin is positive 1 po. Ano naman yung starting point natin? We will have 0 and ano yung b? 15 po. Okay? Laging 0 si x, intercept nyo na lang. Okay? Para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay? 0 and 15. So, ibig sabihin, maglalay siya on our y-axis po. Since wala naman tayong binigay or wala tayong value for our x po. Okay? Ayan siya. 0 and 15. Sunod. Ayan. Nauna pa si N. Ayan. Again, yan. Tinaasan ko lang interval ko para mas ma-visualize yung graph natin. Okay? So, kung napansin nyo, nag-rise to the right po siya since ang ating slope is positive po. Okay? Ganun lang po siya. Yan. So, na-plot na natin yung first and second equation. So, let's now, combine na natin yung dalawa. And identify the point of intersection. So, ito yung sa ating unang point. Yan, yung pula. Tapos yung blue naman yung ating second equation po. So, kung napansin nyo, nag-intersect po sila. Meron silang specific point kung saan sila nag-intersect. So, ayun yung magiging point of intersection natin, which is positive 15 and positive 30 po. So, therefore, we can say that positive 15 and 30 is the solution for our given equation, for our given linear equations po. Okay? So, di ba, kung naalala nyo dun kanina sa graph, sa mga graph na pinakita ko, kapag intersecting lines, we only have unique solution. So, ibig sabihin, we only have one solution for it. Okay? And siya. So, next, ito naman, so you're going to use this if you're just going to determine if the given equations are parallel, intersecting, or coincident. Yung kanina po, yung tinuro ko kanina about graphical method is kapag mismong hinahanap or you are going to solve for the solution for the equations po. But dito naman, you're just going to need, you just need to identify. Okay? Pag identifying lang, pwede nyo itong gamitin. Pero pag solving na hindi nyo siya pwedeng gamitin kasi mahihirapan kayo. Okay? Hindi naman sa mahihirapan, pero yon baka malito kayo lalo. Okay? Pero kahit alin dyan, basta may sagot. Okay? So, ito ulit yung given natin. Okay? So, ang A natin is negative 1 and then positive 1. So, di ba nakita nyo na yan sa taas? Ayan o. Ang A daw is yung X na may kasamang X variable. Ang B is yung may Y variable po. So, pwede ito siyang i-transform into Y is equals to MX plus B muna. O kaya naman ganitong form, AX plus BY equals to C. Basta dapat pareho po sila ng form. Okay? So, dito, yung sa una nating equation is naka-ax plus by is equals to c form siya. Yung pangalawa naman is y is equals to mx plus b. So, it's either dyan po is kailangan mong i-adjust. Dapat pareho sila. Okay? Kung gusto mo nang pareho silang naka-ax plus by is equals to c, i-adjust mo si pangalawang equation. Okay? Pag gusto mo naman ng slope form naman, y is equals to x plus mx plus b, adjust mo si equation 1. Okay? So, it's up to you. Same answer lang din ang makukuha mo. Okay? So, ang A natin for the first equation, dito ang ginamit ko is y is equals to mx plus b. So, yung first equation ang in-adjust ko po. Kaya ako nagkaroon ng negative 1. Ang ating second equation is positive 1 and then simplify negative 1 divided by positive 1 is still negative 1. Okay, how about our b? So, since y is equals to mx plus b ako, ang b po nila pareho is 1. And then, dito pa lang, nakita ko na negative 1 and positive 1 is not equal. Okay? Or we can say that a sub 1 over a sub 2 is not equal to b sub 1 over b sub 2. Okay? Ayan siya. So, therefore, it is an intersecting lines. It has a unique solution and it is consistent. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. So, dito naman, ayan, example, ganun din siya. Pwede nyo, dito kasi ginawa ko nga siyang y is equals to mx plus b muna. Okay? So, pwede nyo na rin naman siyang i-identify. Naka-ano na pala siya, naka-ax plus by is equals to c. Pwede nyo na rin i-identify yun dyan. Okay? Pwede nga ang a nyo dito is 3. Ang b nyo is 1. Ang C is 3. Dito naman, ang A nyo pwede maging positive 6, ang B is positive 2, C is positive 12. Pareho lang din naman yung makukuha yung sagot. Ha? So, dito kasi Y is equals to MX plus B ako, kaya ganito yung A, B, and C ko. Ayan siya. Okay? Okay, so ang A ko, negative 3 over negative 3 is equals to positive 1. B, ayan, 1 over 1 is equals to 1 din. C, 3 over 6 or 1 half. So, A and B, A sub 1 over A sub 2 is equal to B sub 1 over B sub 2, but not equal to C sub 1 over C sub 2. Okay, so therefore, this given equation is a parallel lines po. So, it means it has no solution. It is considered also as inconsistent po. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya. Okay? Next, so checking if the given coordinates is a solution to the equation po. Okay? So dito naman, madali lang siya. Given na si coordinates, ayan, 2 and negative 1. You just need to substitute the given points to our equation to know if the given points is a solution for them. Okay, ayan, sinubstitute ko lang po ha. Baka nagtaka kayo saan nawala yung x and y. Ayun na nga po. Pinalitan ko na, di ba, ang x natin is 2, ang y is negative 1. Tandaan po na ang point is consist of a x intercept and then y intercept. X value and then y value po. Okay? So x ko is 2, y is negative 1. X ko is 2, y is negative 1. Ayan siya. Okay? So ayan. So since parenthesis yan, multiply nyo yan. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 po. Okay? And then sa kabilang side naman, 2 times 2 is positive 4. Negative 3 minus 1, negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Okay? Ito naman, simplify nyo. 6 plus negative 2. Since positive and then negative yan, subtract nyo yan. 6 minus 2 is 4 equals to 5. Which is wrong. Which 4 is not equal to 5 po. Okay? So, dito naman, ayan, nag-satisfy siya. So, since it does not satisfy the first equation, therefore, the given points is not a solution to them. Okay? Although nag-satisfy si given points sa ating second equation, hindi pa rin natin siya pwedeng kunin or tanggapin na solution for them. Okay? Since pair sila, dapat pareho silang mag-satisfy. Maaaring kasing itong given points is solution siya dito sa ating second equation pero hindi sa first equation. Pwede namang yung points is satisfy sa first equation pero hindi sa second equation. Kailangan po parehong mag-satisfy kay first and second equation para ma-consider natin na it is a solution for the given equations. Okay? Just like for this next example. So, we have this given example, and then substitute the coordinates or the points 1 and 1, positive. Ayan siya. Okay? So, as you can see, nag-satisfy pareho. Therefore, the given point is a solution for the given equations. So, ibig sabihin, si positive 1, si x value na positive 1, and y value na positive 1 is a solution for our given linear equations po. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kadali. Dapat parehong mag-satisfy sa parehong equation. Okay? So, now, let's have, solving by substitution method. Okay, so we can solve a system of linear equations using the substitution method where we express one variable, say y, in terms of the other variable x by rearranging the terms. Okay, so dito para mas ma-visualize nyo siya or para mas ma-understand nyo siya, ito na tayo sa example. Ayan. So, ayan. Kung napansin nyo, same example lang. Para makita nyo na kahit anong method yung gamitin natin, same lang yung makukuha yung answer. Diba ang ating point of intersection kanina is positive 15 and positive 30. Okay, so dapat ayun din makuha natin. Oh, so the first step, express a variable in terms of the other po. Okay? So, meron tayo diyang dalawa. So, kukuha kayo or hahanap kayo ng pwede munang maging value ni x or ni y. Okay? So, kung napansin nyo, ang ginamit ko ay yung second equation. Bakit po? Kasi po, ayun na siya. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-transpose. Although, pwede rin naman si first equation, di ba? Si y, pwede mong ilipat sa on the other side, magiging negative y. Kaya lang, yun nga, matrabaho pa siya. Okay? Huwag nyo nang pahirapan yung sarili nyo kung sa tingin nyo na meron ng value ni y dyan, na posible munang pumalit sa value ni y, gawin nyo muna. Okay? So, di ba, kailangan nyo siya para maging isang variable lang yung sa ating equation at mahanap na yung isa pa. Okay? Ayan siya. So, ang ginamit ko po is y is equals to x plus 15. Ito ngayon yung value muna ng ating y. Temporary lang naman ito para mahanap natin yung value ng isang variable, which is yung x po. Okay? Step 2, substitute in the other equation and solve. Ayan. So, gagamitin natin since si second equation ang ginamit natin sa step 1, si first equation naman ang gagamitin natin sa second step. So, x plus y is equals to 45. So, ano daw yung value ng ating y? Sa substitute nyo dito, which is x plus 15. Okay? Huwag pong malito. Kung nawala si y, kasi nga po, di ba, ang sabi sa step 1, ang y daw ay equals to x plus 15. Again, nag-assume pa lang naman tayo. Or temporary value pa lang yan ni y. Okay? Para at that point, isa lang yung, since x lang yung variable natin, pwede nating ma-solve yung value ng x. Okay? Ayan siya. So, magiging x plus x is 2x, and then 15. Ayan, copy lang. And then, 15 po, nilipat ko on the other side, naging negative 15 po. Again, pag nagtatranspose, nagbabago po yung sign natin. Okay? So, simplify nyo muna yung nasa right side. So, magiging 45 minus 15 is 30 po. Okay? Ngayon, since value ng x ang hinahanap natin, kailangan walang kasamang coefficient yung variable x natin. So, we have to divide both sides by 2 po. Since 2 yung kasama ng ating x. So, it is equals to 15 po. Okay? So, ngayon meron na tayong value ng ating x po. Okay? Nagigets ba? Ang x natin is 15. O, tandaan yung value ng x na nakuha natin, 15. Kasi gagamitin natin siya sa step 3 para mahanap si y. Yan. Actually, yung step 3 natin is also related on our first step. Okay? Ayan, x is equals to 15. Di ba, ang sabi natin kanina doon, nag-assume tayo na ang y natin is x plus 15. Eh, since meron na tayong value ng x, ano na? So, pwede na natin i-substitute. Okay? Kasi di ba may x dito? So, y is equals to 15 plus 15 po. Okay? Di ba, madali lang siya. So, ang y natin is positive 30 po. So, thus, the solution is x is equals to 15 and y is equals to 30. Okay? So, kung babalikan niyo yung sa graphical method natin, ayan din po yung solution na nakuha natin. Tama? Using the graphical method. Okay? So, you can use either of our method to find the possible solutions for them. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. So, next example. Ayan. So, meron naman tayong 2x minus 3y equals, negative 2, and then 4x plus y is equals to 24. So again, ang step 1, hanap tayo ng pwede munang maging value ng ating x or y. Okay? O, tignan si equation number 1. So may variable, merong coefficient si x and meron din coefficient si y. Okay? Pero sa equation number 2, merong coefficient si x, si y ay wala. Okay? So, since walang coefficient yung y natin dito, ayun na lang po yung gagamitin natin para mas madali. Okay? So, we just need to, tatanggalan lang natin ng kasama si y sa left side. So, transpose 4x to the other side, it will become negative 4x. Ayan na siya. Ayan na yung step 1 natin. So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging temporary value of y natin is negative 4x plus 24. So, we can now proceed with our step 2. Using since second equation ang ginamit, first equation naman ang gamitin natin. So, we have 2x minus 3y equals negative 2. So, ano ba yung value ng ating y? Ito, di ba? Negative 4x plus 24. Okay, ayan. Sinubstitute ko lang po siya. Okay? Huwag maguluhan kung saan nanggaling to. Ayun po siya. Andiyan y is equal to negative 4x plus 24. Temporary pa lang naman yan. Hindi ko pa sinasabi na ayan talaga yung value ng y natin. Okay? So, ayan. So, simplify nyo lang. Ayan, 2x. So, ito kasi, negative 3. Ayan, multiply muna natin. So, 3 times 4 is negative 12x. 3 times 24 is positive 72. So, syempre, kasama si negative sign din or si subtraction. So, negative times negative is positive. Negative times positive is negative po. Ayan, equals to negative 2. Okay? So, yan, inisa-isa ko lang yung sign para hindi kayo mawindang. Kasi dito, sa ating pangalawa, sa step 2, kung napansin nyo, ginawa ko munang positive 3 lang siya. Okay? Tapos, si negative, hindi ko sinamay na sa labas. Automatic naman na magbabago lahat ng sign nila. Okay? Step 3 natin, ayan, combine like terms po. Pagsamahin sa isang side yung may variable and then on the other side, yung wala pong variable. So, magiging 2x plus 12x is equals to 14x, and the negative 2 plus 72 is equals to 70. So, since may kasamang coefficient si x, divide both side po kung ano yung kasama ng variable natin, which is 14. So, 70 divided by 14 is positive 5. So, therefore, our value of x is positive 5. Okay? Then, proceed with our step 3. So, go back to the second equation. Okay? So, pwede nyo gamitin pa rin yung ating y. Okay? Yung y is equals to negative 4x plus 24. Pwede rin yun. Kahit alin doon. Makukuha nyo pa rin naman siya. Mas mabilis ngayon kasi magta-transpose pa rin naman kayo dito. Ayan. So, 4 times 5 is 20 kasi ang x nga natin ay 5 and then yun si y na siya. Ayan. So, 20 plus y is equals to 24. Ayan, no? Diba sabi ko sa'yo, nililipat pa rin naman siya. Kaya mas maganda na yung step 1 na value of y na yung gamitin nyo na lang. So, yan. Lipat nyo sa 20, magiging negative. So, y is equals to 24 minus 20 is equals to 4 po. Positive 4 po. Okay? So, therefore, the solution is positive 5 and positive 4. Okay? So, ganun lang po yung ating substitution method. You just need to assume a temporary value for either x or y po. Okay? So, next. Ayan. Ano to? Ayan. So, ito, ganun din yan. Okay? Ayan. So, di ba, tignan nyo sa first equation. May, tignan nyo yung first equation. May, since first equation po is merong variable na walang coefficient, ayun na yung ginamit ko. Diba? Hindi ko na pahirapan sarili ko na mag-divide-divide. So, second equation, mamaya ko na siya gagamitin. So, our x is equals to 3y, ayan, 2 minus 3y. Kasi diba si 3y, 3 transpose, naging negative po siya. Okay? So, next, ang gagamitin naman natin is si second equation. Ayan, so 3x plus 9y equals to 10. So, ano yung value ng x natin? 2 minus 3y. So, substitute lang natin. Ayan, so, ayan, 2 minus 3y, okay? And then, simplify or distribute po. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative 3y is negative 9y. Okay, and then copy the rest. Ayan. So, dito, kung napansin nyo, negative 9y plus 9y is 0 po. Maka-cancel out sila. So, 6 is equals, 6 is not equal to 10. So, it means it is not true. So, since we have got a false equation, we conclude that this system has no solution. So, ano ba yung graph natin kapag no solution? Di ba po, parallel. Okay, so ibig sabihin, no solution tayo dito. Okay? Ganun siya kasi dapat equal. Yan. So, dito naman, ganun din. Mamili kayo. So, syempre, obviously, yung equation 1 yung gagamitin ko. Okay? Transpose, si negative 5x magiging positive 5x po. Step 2, substitute to the second equation. So, yung value ng y, ayan na siya. 5x minus 4 po. And then, distribute. 4 times 5 is 20x. 4 times 4 is 16 po. So, hindi ko pa dinistribute yung sign. Ayan. Kaya magbabago. Diyan pa lang siya magbabago. Magiging negative 20x na and then positive 16. So, kung napansin nyo, 20x minus 20x is 0. Cancel out ulit sila. Okay? So, 16 is equals to 16, which means it is always true. So, kung kanina hindi sila equal, not true, false sila, parallel line sila, dito naman always true. So, it means that the equation is always true. So, we conclude that this system has infinite solution. So, ibig sabihin, maraming possible solutions for this given equation natin. Okay? So, ano ba yung kapag infinite solution? Di ba coincident line po siya? Okay? So, ganun lang po yun. Okay? So, next, the last method, we have the elimination method. So, ito, medyo komplikado siya. Kasi you need to think of a way on how to eliminate the other variable. Okay, so we have 3x minus 5y is equals to 6 and the negative 2x plus y is equals to 10. Okay? Ayan. So, Dito po, sa elimination natin, you need to think of a number that when we multiply this to the coefficient of a variable, it will be cancelled out. Okay? So, ibig sabihin lang nun, it's either si X yung i-eliminate nyo or si Y yung i-eliminate ninyo. It's up to you. Okay? So, for this time po, ang naisip kong eliminate is yung X po. Okay? Kalimutan na natin si X, eliminate natin siya. Diba? Y naman tayo. Okay? So, ang gusto ko dito, sa first equation, multiply ko kay 2, multiply ko kay 3. Bakit po? Kasi kapag minultiply ko si 2 kay 3, magiging 6x. Tama? Kapag minultiply ko naman si 3 sa second equation na negative 2, magiging negative 6x. And then positive 6x minus 6x po, it will become 0. Okay? So, automatic, makakancel out siya. Ganun lang yun. Ayan siya. So, magiging, ayan o. Kaya siya naging 6x minus 10y equals to 12 kasi nga po, minultiply ko sa 2 yung first equation natin. So, 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 5 is negative 10y. 2 times 6 is 12 po. Okay? Next equation. So, 3 naman siya i-multiply. 3 times 2 is negative 6. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 10 is 30. Okay? Ayan siya. So, ngayon, at that point, maka-cancel out ko yung variable na x natin. So, y lang matitira. So, ngayon, negative 10y plus 3y, it will become negative 7y. And then, 12 plus 30, since pareho silang positive, it will become 42. So, therefore, ang ating ayan, di ba meron tayong negative 7y equals to 42? Since meron tayong coefficient for y, tanggalin lang po natin. Eliminate. So we have to divide both sides by negative 7 and then 42 divided by negative 7 is equals to negative 6 po. So therefore, we can say that our value of y for this given equations is negative 6 po. Okay? So proceed with the step 4. Ayan. So, dito po, ang ginamit natin, ano nga ba to? First ba o second? Ayun, second equation natin siya. Okay? So, second equation ang ginamit ko, negative 2x plus y is equals to 10 po. Okay? So, ngayon, ano yon? Paano yon? Isa-substitute nyo lang po siya. Okay? So, negative 2x plus negative 6 equals to 10 po. Para makuha yung value ng ating x naman. Okay, negative 2x. Ayan. Si negative 6 po, transpose to the other side, magiging positive 6. Okay? So, simplify. Negative 2x is equals to positive 16 po. Okay? And then, eliminate ulit yung kasama ng variable na x, which will become negative, positive 16 divided by negative 2 will become negative 8 po. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang solution natin dito is negative 8, negative 6 po. Okay? So, ayun lang po siya. Okay? So, balikan muna natin yung una. O, tandaan ha. We have, ganyan lang po sa elimination. Okay? Again po, mag-iisip kayo ng way para may ma-eliminate na variable. Pwede namang si 10 yung, si y yung eliminate ninyo. 'Di ba? Pwede nyong, since meron tayo ditong 5y, tapos ito y lang siya. So, pwede nyo i-multiply lang yung second equation by 5 para maging positive 5y siya. Okay? Pwede yon. Kahit alin doon, pwede nyo gamitin. Okay? So, ayun lang po yung ating elimination method. Okay? So, ayun yung ating mga methods po for solving linear equations po. Okay? So, I hope na may natutunan po for this lesson. Okay? So, yun lang po. So, stay happy and stay healthy as always. So, goodbye. Hmm.